There may be a possibility that there's intelligent life moving this object our way. I remember
For decades, scientists believed that comets and asteroids were predictable wanderers of our solar system. They formed billions of years ago, orbiting quietly, occasionally colliding with planets, and sometimes dazzling us as bright streaks across the night sky. But now, something truly shocking has happened. An interstellar object, known as 3I/Atlas, has stunned the scientific community by unleashing what observers are calling a nuclear-like blast. And here's the disturbing part: it doesn't look natural. So, what is going on with 3I/Atlas? Why are experts calling this a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic event? And could this strange object pose risks far greater than we can imagine? Let's dive deep into this mystery. 3I/Atlas is no ordinary comet. In fact, it's not even from our solar system. This visitor is only the third confirmed interstellar object humanity has ever detected, following the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. Each of these visitors has forced us to rethink what we know about the cosmos. But Atlas has gone a step further. It's doing things no comet should be capable of. When astronomers first spotted 3I/Atlas, they noticed its strange trajectory. Instead of following the neat, predictable paths of asteroids, this object was moving at blistering speeds, too fast to be gravitationally bound to our sun. That meant only one thing: it came from another star system. Already, this made it rare and exciting. But what happened next shocked everyone. In late observations, telescopes recorded what looked like an explosive event near Atlas. A sudden outburst of light and energy that, to many, resembled a nuclear detonation. Now, comets are known to release gas and dust as they heat up near a star. But this wasn't just a small puff of vapor. It was a massive, structured burst that released more energy than scientists had ever seen from a comet of this size. Researchers began asking tough questions. Was this simply an extreme case of natural outgassing? Or was something else, something artificial, responsible for this blast? Some data suggested that the energy release was too concentrated, too sudden, and too powerful to be explained by ice melting under sunlight. It looked more like a controlled detonation than a random natural event. The implications of this are staggering. If 3I/Atlas is producing unnatural energy bursts, it could mean several things. 1. Unknown natural physics. Perhaps there are mechanisms in interstellar comets that we don't yet understand, some exotic chemistry or physics taking place deep inside. 2. Alien technology. A more controversial idea. What if 3I/Atlas is not just a rock, but some kind of interstellar probe, similar to the speculation around Oumuamua? Could this nuclear-like blast have been a maneuver, a signal, or even a malfunction of something designed by an intelligent species? 3. Potential risks. If such blasts continue, what happens if Atlas passes near Earth? Even if it's not hostile, a miscalculated burst of energy could interfere with satellites, disrupt communications, or worse. Science educator Bill Nye has already spoken out about interstellar visitors like Atlas. He has warned that humanity cannot afford to ignore these cosmic travelers. They may carry crucial information about the origins of life, or they could present dangers we're not prepared for. After news of this nuclear-like outburst spread, Nye's warnings gained even more urgency. He emphasized that Earth needs better space observation systems, more funding for telescopes, and international collaboration to track and understand these objects. As Nye put it, we're not alone in the universe, not because of aliens, but because the universe is always sending things our way. The real question is, will we be ready when something bigger comes? When Oumuamua passed through our solar system in 2017, its strange cigar-like shape and acceleration led some scientists, like Harvard's Avi Loeb, to suggest it might be artificial. Then in 2019, Borisov appeared, behaving more like a normal comet, but still a rare interstellar visitor. Now, 3I/Atlas has rewritten the rulebook once again. Unlike Borisov, it doesn't behave like a standard comet. And unlike Oumuamua, which silently slipped away, Atlas has put on a fireworks display that looks engineered. Each new interstellar visitor raises the stakes, and together, they paint a picture of a galaxy filled with wandering fragments, or perhaps even probes, from distant stars. So what exactly did Bill Nye say? According to recent interviews, he emphasized 2 points. 1. We need better detection systems. Current telescopes often find these objects late, sometimes only after they've passed by. Nye argues that humanity needs a dedicated network to spot interstellar visitors earlier. 2. We need to prepare for the unknown. Nye highlighted that interstellar objects are unlike anything we've studied up close. The fact that Atlas fragmented so quickly, or that Oumuamua showed no comet tail despite accelerating oddly, shows we don't fully grasp what's out there. His warning is simple: don't dismiss these events as curiosities. They could hold lessons or dangers that humanity needs to understand. He even compared ignoring these objects to ignoring early warnings about climate change, saying we risk being caught off guard by something we could have studied. 3I/Atlas isn't just another comet. It represents the beginning of a new era in astronomy. For centuries, humanity assumed that the solar system was a closed system, with comets and asteroids all belonging to the Sun's family. The discovery of interstellar visitors like Oumuamua, Comet Borisov, and now Atlas has completely overturned that belief. These objects prove that our solar system is not isolated at all. It is part of a much larger, dynamic galactic environment where material constantly drifts between stars. What's even more surprising is how common these travelers might be. Some astronomers suggest that millions of interstellar fragments could be passing through the solar system at any given moment. Most of them are simply too small, too faint, or too fast for our telescopes to notice. If that's true, then Atlas is not a rare visitor. It's just one that happened to be large and bright enough for us to catch. In other words, the cosmos may be filled with a constant stream of alien messengers flying through our celestial neighborhood. And here's where things get really shocking. What if one of those fragments isn't just rock and ice? What if it carries organic molecules, the building blocks of life, or exotic materials we've never seen before? Some scientists even speculate that interstellar comets could have seeded life across the galaxy by carrying complex chemistry from one star system to another. Others go further, asking whether fragments like Atlas could contain entirely new clues about how planets and stars form outside the conditions we're familiar with. This is the mystery that drives astronomers forward. It's why researchers are calling for new telescopes, faster detection systems, and even spacecraft missions to chase down the next interstellar visitor. And it's why communicators like Bill Nye are raising their voices. Because ignoring these strange guests could mean missing out on discoveries that redefine our place in the universe. So here's the bottom line. 3I/Atlas shocked scientists when it first appeared, and then shocked them again when it shifted course. Unlike ordinary comets or asteroids that circle the sun, this visitor comes from the deep unknown, beyond our solar system, beyond our neighborhood, carrying with it secrets from another star system entirely. Bill Nye's warning isn't meant to spark panic. It's a call for awareness and preparation. Humanity can't afford to ignore interstellar visitors. They may hold the keys to understanding how life began, how planetary systems evolve, or even how our galaxy spreads its chemistry across the stars. At the same time, they could present risks we don't yet fully recognize, whether that's unexpected impacts, unpredictable behavior, or hidden variables in how they interact with our solar environment. What is certain is this: the universe is far less quiet than we once believed. Strange objects from distant stars are passing through our cosmic backyard, and each one brings new questions that challenge everything we thought we knew about space. So the question we're left with is simple, yet profound. Are we ready for what's coming next? If you found this breakdown fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more updates on space discoveries, cosmic mysteries, and the science shaping our future.